Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing great. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to export assets from Figma step by step. Assets are individual design elements like buttons, icons, logos, images, or illustrations that you can save and use in other projects. If you're a beginner, don't worry. I'll show you the easiest way to export them, so let's get started. First, I'll open my Figma design file. Now, I'll select the asset that I want to export. In this example, I'm selecting a simple button, but you can also select an icon, logo, image, or any other design element. Next, I'll go to the export section on the right side of the screen. If no export settings are available, I'll click the plus icon to add one. Now, I'll choose the file format. I'll keep it as PNG, but you can also choose JPG, SVG, or PDF, depending on your needs. Next, I'll keep the export size at 1x. If you need a higher quality file, you can also choose 2x or 3x. Once everything is ready, I'll click the export button. Now I'll choose a location on my computer and save the file. As you can see, the asset has been exported successfully and is now ready to use in other projects. That's it. We've successfully learned how to export assets from Figma. It's a quick and easy way to save individual design elements for websites, mobile apps, presentations, or any other creative project. I hope this step-by-step guide was helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more Figma tutorials and design tips. Thanks for watching, have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.